I'm Kate, and I'm here to unbox the Xbox Series S, the smallest, sleekest Xbox ever. Ooh. The next-gen speed and performance of this console is powered by the Xbox Velocity architecture, which features a cool 512GB custom SSD. That means you can spend more time playing and less time waiting. First, let's talk speed. You can play your games at 1440p at up to 120 frames per second. And you can seamlessly move between recently played games at a flash with a built-in feature called Quick Resume. The Xbox Series S is the smallest Xbox ever. I cannot express to you how small this is. You can actually have it vertical or you can have it horizontal. There's no disc here, but there's also no problem because it's all digital. The new Xbox wireless controller with its new share button and as well as improved ergonomics. It's also got textured grips and bumpers. You can hold on to it a little bit easier. And it's got that updated hybrid D-pad. Do not forget to download the Xbox app on your mobile phone. It's gonna make setting up your console day of that much easier. Go all digital with the Xbox Series S. Your games, saves, and backups, well, they're all safe up in the cloud. Plus, enjoy the ability to pre-order and pre-install upcoming games so you're ready to play the moment they launch. There are already thousands of games from our 4 generations of Xbox ready for you to play with backward compatibility. Unlock the option to play more than 100 high-quality games when you add the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. There you have it, the Xbox Series S. It's sleek, it's small, and it's got everything you need for next-gen gaming. I've got mine, so let's go play.